Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you guys how to replace the shift knob on an Audi 2010 A4. We're going to be replacing it with the S-Line 2014-2015 Audi S-Line shift knob, and we're going to show you guys how. We're going to remove this little piece, move it all the way up. We're going to see a little clamp right here. We're going to be cutting the clamp with some pliers. We're gonna pull this out so we can reuse this shift knob if we ever have to. Just pull it out and slide the shift knob out. Make sure not to release this button, because if you release it, it's gonna be really difficult for you to pull it out again. Now all we gotta do is slide in the new one. Into clips. Now obviously all we gotta do is pull the little leather up so we can lock it, push it down, and then twist the new one because it's gonna lock. This one has a lock, the other one had a clamp on, so we're gonna lock it. Once it's locked, all we gotta do is push the leather back down. Flip it on, pull all the leather all the way down, then there you go. Now we got the new B8.5 shift knob. I went this route because I want to be able to match my steering wheel, but it has the perforated leather with the shift knob. Everything works really good. Obviously everything works as this is an OEM shift knob. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and then I will go ahead and answer any comments. Thank you.